guys, and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I have 5 new kitchen decor ideas that I made in a modern farmhouse style. And I'm gonna be using mostly Dollar Tree items for this videos. I have made some kitchen DIY videos before, so I'm gonna be linking those videos on the description box below. And if you enjoyed this one, please give me a big thumbs up because it really helps to support my channel. And guys, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And just in case that YouTube doesn't notify you if I post a new video or not, you can follow me on Instagram because I always tell you there if I have a new video and what is going on in my channel. And also you can follow me on my Facebook page because I'm gonna be uploading a few videos that I made before that I really like, and I know that you're gonna love them. So please follow me on my Facebook and Instagram pages. Both links are gonna be on the description box of this video and every single video. So yeah, let's get started to these Dollar Tree DIYs.
Okay guys, so for my first project, I will be using one of these wooden plaques. My Dollar Tree doesn't have that like craft square section. So if you have the same problem, you can get these wooden plaques at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or maybe at Walmart. Then I'm gonna be removing any sticker from my wooden plaque and I'm going to sand the wood to have a smooth surface. Now I want to make like a pen riser. I don't know, something different. So I'm going to use this stir stick that Walmart sells for 97 cents, I think. And I'm going to cut only like that end that has a different shape. And I already have many of these things at home because I have been left over from other projects. And I'm going to cut it in half again because you need to have a smaller handle for the pen riser. I hope that makes sense. Now you have to sand your handle so that way you can have like that curved shape of the wooden plaque, and that way you can be able to glue the handle. It looks like a single piece. And for that I'm going to be using my Dremel and I will sand the edges of the stir stick pieces. And guys, if you like crafts and you like to DIY your things, I really recommend you to have a Dremel like this at home. I really use this one and I love it. So in the description box of the video, I'm gonna be leaving you the link of where you can get it. To glue the handle, maybe the best option will be wooden glue, or you can use E6000 as I did, and then you need to let it dry very well. And also you can make like a small hole in the handle to give it more like detail and make it look better, but it's not necessary. I really think that it's going to look better, but it's up to you. To paint this guy, I'm gonna be using my Waverly wax in antique color, and you need to give it one coat of paint and then let it dry. And you can sand the edges of your riser if you want to have like more of the farmhouse look. For the riser to stand, you can use beads if you want. I have nothing at home, so I was creative and I used 4 of these small Easter eggs from Dollar Tree. I paint them in black color and then I dry them with my heat tool to make it faster. Now, because the eggs have like a special shape, I'm going to make like small holes in my wooden plaque on the bottom part with my Dremel, and then you can be able to glue the eggs on that hole with hot glue and make sure that your riser is strong. Finally, you can add a piece of rope inside the hole that we made to the handle, and it's going to add like a really nice touch, and that will be all, guys. What do you think about this project? I really like it a lot, and it looks super cute, and I think it's something different, and it is very easy and budget friendly to do. For the second project, you need 3 of these bamboo kitchen utensils. I get mine from Dollar Tree, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is painting them with my Waverly chalk paints in black or ink color. And then you need to dry them. For that, I really like to use my heat tool just to save a lot of time, and I really like mine. So in the description box of the video, I'm going to be leaving you the link of my Amazon store of that product. Now I'm going to use a wooden plaque like this one. It is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it with my Waverly wax in antique color. You can stick your bamboo kitchen utensil in many ways, and I'm gonna be using my E6000 glue and then hot glue to make them stronger, and I'm going to stick the wooden plaque that we paint at the top of the kitchen utensils and let them dry very well. You can write, or you can paint or stick stickers using any word that you want, and I'm gonna be sticking the word eat. You can use these stickers that Dollar Tree sells, but after I stick them, I decide that I want the word to look a little bit bigger, so I use my Cricut and I hit my decal that I did with a white vinyl. Finally, to hang it on the wall, you can stick a piece of rope on the back side with E6000 and hot glue to make it stronger, and that will be all. How simple and rustic this DIY project looks. I really love to use this color combination in my kitchen to have like that modern farmhouse vibes. Next project. Okay, I found this super cute ceramic jar at Dollar Tree, and I think has a very nice shape, and I just think it was perfect to add to my kitchen. So the first thing I did was to paint the vase with my Waverly chalk paint in ink or black color, and then let it dry very well. For the top, I want a different color, so I use my Waverly wax in antique color to have like a wooden look and more texture to this DIY. This ceramic jar has a perfect space to write something, and I decided to place the word sugar that I made with my Cricut. And guys, if you can get this type of jars at Dollar Tree, remember that they have many other options, and only with a little bit of paint you can make a big difference. And this is how our project turned out, and this DIY was inspired by the new Radon collection, like in black colors, but I did it for only $1. This next project is not from Dollar Tree, but I found these mini rolling pins in Hobby Lobby for $3.99, and you can get them with a discount for less, but I actually have a few videos on the description box of the video of how to make rolling pins using Dollar Tree items, so go and check them out if you are interested. And the first thing I did was to separate the handles of the rolling pin, and I'm going to paint the handles with a black color and let them dry. For the other part of the rolling pin, I'm going to be using my Waverly Wax in Antique color. It's the same color that we used before because I want that all my projects, all my DIYs have the same like modern farmhouse concept and the same colors. Once everything is dry, you can stick each part of the rolling pin, and finally you can add a decal or stickers or write by hand what you want on your rolling pin, and you could even add a bow. I just want to leave it simple and rustic, so no bow for me today. This DIY is super simple. I just really want to give you the idea of where you can buy mini rolling pins or how to make them yourself and then just paint them and add a nice touch to your kitchen. For the last DIY, and I really love this one, you need one of these wooden X sign from Dollar Tree and a scrapbook paper or paint if you prefer to paint your sign. I'm gonna be using Mod Podge in all my sign to be able to stick the scrapbook paper that I always get at Hobby Lobby, guys. And then I just have to cut all the excess paper from the egg with a razor. Then I really like to highlight the edges of the signs just a little bit, and for that you can use maybe Utensils or paint. I'm gonna be using black paint and I'm gonna be painting that with a sponge. To write inside the egg, you can print some image of the internet of Google and transfer that with a chalk and then paint it with a marker or acrylic paint. And in the description box of the video, I'm going to be leaving you like an example of how you can do it because I did it before. It is super easy, I promise. But I made my own decal in my Cricut that says Farm Fresh Eggs with like a small kitchen at the top, and then I'm going to stick it in my egg. To hang it on the wall, I glue a small piece of rope on the top with E6000 and hot glue to make it stronger. Then I'm gonna be using 2 mini of these command strips from a Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick them at the bottom of the egg. Then I will use this Dollar Tree wire organizer. It is white, but I actually painted in black spray paint, and I'm going to hang it on both command strips. And finally, I will place these fake eggs that I paint from Walmart, or you can also use real eggs if you want. I think it is a great option too. Or also you can add a kitchen towel or maybe greenery inside of the wire organizer and just hang it on the wall. My loves, I really hope that you liked today's video. They are 5 super easy ideas to make at home and on a budget to decorate your kitchen with a modern farmhouse look. And if you like these DIYs, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which was your favorite DIY for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and you can share this video with friends and family. I love you so much. Hope you have a beautiful day, beautiful weekend, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.